May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention one criminal appeal bail, my lord, to come up for hearing on Thursday, my lord, after Thursday.
You get it for orders, we'll fix it for hearing.
My lord. Yes.
Whenever.
And another prayer, my lord, for IA to come up on Friday, my condonation of delay. My
Yes.
lord.
It has not come up for, it will come up for the first time.
Yes,
I
my,
will come up for the first time.
my lord, not if notice is issued
Notice has been issued. Okay. When was notice issued, madam?
in the month of March, my.
Returnable date is over.
Yes, my.
Steps were taken.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 11 and 12. I'm
Yes.
for 11. I've taken consent from the all set.
Yes.
So I pay for password for that.
Or it is for orders. Why order for orders?
There is a I for bill.
Okay.
Only for password for.
On a prayer made on behalf of the applicant, matter is adjourned to be listed next week. Next week. Yes. Other side informed.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, madam.
I live.
Yeah, Your Lordship, I beg to mention WPC 1976/2025 along with IA
WPC.
Ah.
Is it pertaining to this bench, division bench?
for listing for order.
Is it for division bench?
Pardon, my lord.
Is it a division bench matter? Where are you mentioning before this court? Is it a division bench matter?
Oh, it's a tender matter.
Huh? Tender matter. Tender matter, we'll have to go for the appropriate bench. I think she is mentioning on only after the single bench sits, not now. Yes. Was there any mediation earlier?
There was counseling.
No, counseling, that was at the stage of the trial.
Yes,
No mediation.
not here, not here.
It is, we'll send it for mediation. Okay.
Yes.
What is the matter about? What is the appeal about?
Appeal about my lord, the appellant, the petition of the appellant paying for dissolution of the marriage, my lord, that has been rejected. My lord.
Here for the husband.
Yes, my lord.
Your prayer for divorce has been rejected.
Yes, my lord.
Divorce on what grounds?
On desertion and cruelty, my lord.
You have issues?
Yes, my lord.
How many?
One
One
son,
is good.
How old?
now 15 years.
15 years.
Son is with
He's
you.
physically, my lord.
Challenge. Son is with you.
Yes.
Yes.
He is paying maintenance.
Yes, my lord.
How much?
7,000.
For both.
Yes, my lord.
What do you do, Mr. Bora?
He is working as a constable in DSS, my lord.
7,000.
That's for court order, my lord.
You have not prayed for any announcement.
Announcement in the court below, my lord.
You had prayed.
Yes, my pending, my.
Okay, we'll try for mediation. Will you suggest anyone, both of you, or should we appoint?
Your lordship,
Hmm?
yes, your lordship.
Have you filed the affidavit in the
Yes, my
meantime?
lord. Yes, my lord.
As per Rajnish Neha?
Yes, my lord.
You have filed?
Yes.
Pursuant to the order dated 24/4/2025 comma. 3. D.P. Bora, learned counsel for the appellant, has submitted that the affidavit, in accordance with the requirement as laid down in the case of Rajnesh versus Neha, reported in 2021 to SSC 324, has been filed. Such affidavit was already filed earlier by the respondent. This matter has, however, been listed as a part of the special drive to resolve cases through mediation. Considering the subject matter involved, this matter is referred for mediation, and this court accordingly appoint Sri Dharmendra Kumar Sharma, learned counsel and trained mediator, to act as the mediator in this case. Full stop. The learned counsel for the parties are accordingly directed to hand over a set of all the relevant documents to the learned mediator within 3 days from today. Full stop. List this case on 18th of August 2025, within which date a preliminary report would be furnished by the mediator, depending upon which further orders would be passed. The mediator, to facilitate early disposal, the notices which are to be issued by the mediator would be routed through the learned counsel. The parties are where in Guwahati itself.
Yes, the respondent is in Guwahati.
My lord, he is probably in Delhi now, but he will be available, my lord.
The notice will go through you, okay?
Yes, my lord, I will.
That will be easier, otherwise.
Obliged, my lord.
So next date is 18th,
It is
okay? And before that, a preliminary report will be.
Yes, my lord.
And mediator will fix a date. Ask your clients to appear.
Obliged, my lord.
case which both was granted that was satisfied.
Mediation will have a same order, huh? Similar order. Khali upor khe na lage, under the special drive period program. We appoint Rita Das Mazumdar, okay? And same date. We have the next date would be 18th of August. Okay, before that, a preliminary report would be given. You give all the documents to her within 3 days. Phone number also. Okay, there is a phone number. You can get the phone number from our court master. Inform her.
Depository Chowk. T Chowk.
और नाम क्या लिखिएगा जी चक्रवर्ती on behalf of Mr. S.C. Biswas. On behalf of S.C. Biswas, okay. ठीक है, next.
Great.
Right. May it please, your lordship. My lord, here matter is settled between the parties, my lord. Only thing is this, my lord, in the report, my lord, one immediate point between us, my lord, was not reflected. Actually, my lord, there was some one of the conditions is not reflected, my lord. Anyway, we have settled in between, we have talked also. My lord, I just want to reduce in writing. So can it be, my lord, we can have a
Joint affidavit.
yes, joint affidavit will file, my lord.
Can you file a joint affidavit?
Yeah.
Mrs.
Otherwise, I have paid 15 lakhs out of 20.
Okay. Heard Sri T.H. Hazarika, learned counsel for the appellant, as well as Sri S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the respondent. Full stop. Both the learned counsel have submitted that the matter has been finally settled between the parties, which they would like to place on record by way of a joint affidavit.
So already the petition has been It is all submitted.
Okay.
So we'll file an affidavit regarding also there is some
Okay,
Period-
has been settled through mediation, However, there is another point which is also agreed upon. Another point which has also been settled between the parties, and that aspect would be brought on record by way of an affidavit,
My lord.
by way of a joint
Joint
affidavit.
affidavit.
How much time do you require?
My lord, 2 weeks, 1 week, any time. 10
Uh,
days would be a good time.
Let the affidavit be filed within a period of 2 weeks from today.
My lord.
We have some honorable judges from Patna High Court. Please let them be seated. It's an honor to have you here. I'll not invite you to argue any matters as an amicus. Yes, next.
May I please proceed?
Yes.
My application for this appeal is filed for dismissal of my divorce petition by the London Trial Court.
You're the first party.
Yeah, yes.
Rejected.
My petition was rejected.
You're the husband.
Huh?
Husband.
Yes, blocked it.
What were your grounds for divorce?
Actually, the man on the ground of cruelty.
Yes, madam. You have any issue?
No, actually, I just want to have a
No, you have
Mediation.
you have any son, daughter issues?
yes, but one daughter
One daughter living with whom?
with a mother.
How old is she?
She is 21 years,
21 years. How
Yes.
much maintenance are you paying?
8,000.
For both the mother and the daughter?
Yes.
8,000. It's enough. What do you do?
I'm a employee of water resource keeper.
How much is your salary?
30, around 30.
You think that 8,000 is a justified amount? You have not filed for any enhancement, madam?
Yeah, actually, in the year 2019, she filed a one enhancement petition. At that time, maintenance amount was 4,000. So in the year 2019, it was
8,000 in today's
increased to
context, is it enough?
8,000.
Aren't you aggrieved, madam? You seem to be very satisfied. Why? Those are besides the point. You should be at least aware of the facts. You are appearing for somebody that is okay. Who is your senior?
S.
Hmm?
S.
S. Bonik.
Take.
Okay, this is listed on a special heading today for sending it for mediation. Okay, try to settle the matter. And if you want to sever the relationship, it should be done in a dignified manner, not like this 8,000 business. Your daughter is studying where?
Actually, since 2012, he has no contact with the daughter. So she
What kind of a
completely
father you are?
deserted me.
The wife has deserted you, the daughter has not deserted you.
She doesn't allow us to see the.
What
the-
effort have you made
Well,
to
We have
contact your?
we made a several attempts to meet her, but she did not allow.
Don't
Even the relative, nobody was allowed to.
doesn't appear to be a sincere effort.
No, we tried our best to get in touch.
Okay, we'll try to drive mediation drive. Okay, same order. Okay. You have any choice of a mediator?
No, no. Yeah, Lord.
We saw Madam Saikia. Where is she? Yes, we'll appoint you as a mediator. Yes. Okay. We give the next date as to 18th of August. You have a preliminary report before 18th, depending upon which we'll pass subsequent orders. Madam, both of you give a set of the documents to her within 3 days. Okay.
Okay.
Same order will pass. 18th. Be a Saikia. Yes. Baharun से क्या? Baharun से. Yes. Yeah, for whom?
I'm for the wife.
The appellant.
Yes, the appellant.
The notice has not been served. It can go for mediation only after notice. Why has it been listed? Has it been served?
I have taken a step. I have taken a step.
No, has it been served? Serviceable sole respondent received by sole respondent putting his signature. Your wife.
They have knowledge of.
Uh,
We are appearing in the family court. They know it's that we have filed challenge this order.
You are the wife.
Yes.
You are aggrieved by what?
But the respondent has filed a reverse petition. In that petition, we have filed our reply. Along with the reply, we have filed a counter claim claiming some relief under the Domestic Violence Act. That counter claim has been rejected, saying that the family court has no jurisdiction. It is that order we have filed this appeal.
What is the wrong? Which is the court which would adjudicate a matter regarding domestic violence?
This is the judicial magistrate court, but if a family could entertain in matter and say, then under section 24 of the family court act, TV petition can also be entertained by the family.
Let us see what is the section. Family court.
Under that,
Family court. 20. Section. Which section?
24 lot,
Of
family court act.
Family Court Act. 24. Which book has 24 sections? Our book doesn't have 24 sections. Huh? 24 of which act? It is not, it cannot be the Family Courts Act. How many sections are there in the Family Courts Act?
After that,
That you do not know.
I cannot recall.
There has to be at least more than 24 sections so that 24 can exist. There are not 24 sections.
I'm confused also, maybe 24 of the Domestic Violence Act.
24 of the Domestic Violence Act. Okay, let us say 24 of the Domestic Violence Act. Twenty-four is court to give copies free of cost. You have not read the brief.
My senior was appearing in this case. He is not yet.
Though this case has been listed under the so-and-so column, comma, the sole respondent is yet to enter the appearance. Full stop. We have, however, noticed that as per Office Note dated 14/7/2025, service report is held to be complete. Full stop. Para. Be that as it may. List this case for admission. after 2 weeks. Item 6. Yes. Other side is yes.
My lord, start of bit late.
We'll try. This is a national drive. Let us try.
And divorce was granted the husband on the ground of cruelty and desertion. From 2011, she is not.
Okay,
Apart from
you are
that,
the wife.
Yes, sir.
she is
You are aggrieved by the grant of divorce.
divorced.
Okay.
And I was convicted in a case of 498. Not convicted. Ultimately, the acquittal has been given by the
Mediation doesn't mean that you have to abide. It may be a parting with dignified way also.
But
Sit and
pleading shows that she is not interested.
mediation has got nothing to do with pleadings. You know
No.
better.
Chance of
Nothing to do with the pleadings. You sit, you talk, you devise a means. Nobody is going to force you.
Yes.
Okay. नाम क्या डालूं? Devasis Bhattacharya. Devasis Bhattacharya, item number 62. Okay. Serve copies on, we are appointing Devasis Bhattacharya. Okay. Please serve copies upon him of the documents within 3 days. And same date.
Okay.
And notice to be served through you. Okay, next. Jail appeal. Jail appeal. Conviction under, madam? 302. 302. 302, huh? Jail admit. S.H. Bora. And amicus. M. Bormon, huh? Meghalaya Bormon. Serial number 8, amicus. Pakistani DDP, okay? Private respondent na hai, okay. Appeal against what? Mr.
Against grant of bail.
Grant of bail, okay. Heard Sri Arcady Chaudhary learned. You appear as what?
I appear as a PhD.
As?
As a PhD.
Okay, a deputy SGI. For the appellant who has preferred this appeal against so and so. Admit. Call for a scan copy of the records. Notice upon the sole respondent be served in the usual process. List on. On 18th of August 2025, along with service report.
Yeah. Permit.
Rusty in a criminal case.
Trial is going.
You can inform
Yes.
in the court.
Yes.
Item 9. M. Ahmed. M. Ahmed, A.K. Kanu, A. Ali, and Chaudhary. Who is M. Ahmed? NDPS.
NPP.
Admission is not a problem, but we want to admit in the presence of the council. Okay, we'll have it on day after tomorrow. Okay. 9 appears for the appellant on call, whereas the state is represented by Ms. S.H. Bora, learned APP. In the interest of justice, list on Wednesday.
Applicants conviction also considered good.
What is your name?
Is like that.
Desaikia. Desaikia. Why have you made the informant a party? Conviction under what?
Is not too lot.
There is no requirement as such. Unnecessarily or prolonging. One Kaushik, APP, then two steps by Israel, no? Admit. 6 weeks for service report as well as give up TCR.
LCR में
And in the IA, issue notice. Same.
like
6 weeks. Yes. डी से क्या बोले?
May-
RR question.
May I please note
Item number?
30.
Yes.
Put the way. Just that to it.
POXO and 376. Okay.
Sir, My lord, this is IA. Sir, IA is disposed of. IA for condonation of delay is disposed of, my lord. After disposal, this appeal is done for the first time for admission.
You have not seen the order sheets. Appeal has already been admitted on 26/20/25. Because you were not present on that date.
Sorry.
That is why we did not pass an order on the earlier date. We like to pass orders in the presence. But you should look into the order sheet, what had happened on that date. It's been admitted, okay. Now you have to take steps. That day you were not there. Did you you have not taken steps? Obviously, you are not aware. And madam, the report,
Yes, that is awaited. Yeah, what is said.
Okay. we'll give them chance to take steps. Miss B.R.A. Sultana, the learned legal aid counsel, submits that on the last occasion, as she was not present, she is not aware regarding the admission of the matter which was done on 26/20/25. She accordingly prays for and is granted 3 days time to take steps pursuant to the direction made on the said date. Para. Ms. S.H. Bora, the learned additional PP, Assam, also prays for further time to obtain the report regarding service of notice upon the respond number 2. List after 4 weeks.
Okay. Not the same period, but report is awaited.
Item 14. Same. You take steps, huh? I think here also you are the legal aid counsel.
Yes.
You are not present on the last occasion. 24/6/2025 was. I go to the counsel. 24/6 as well. 21/6 as well. Why to 24/6? How long will you take, Mr. Kamal?
My lord, there are 15 PWs and 4 DWs, my lord, and lots of exhibits are also there, my lord.
No, we don't mind taking up, but my brother may not be around from day after tomorrow. If you can complete it by tomorrow, we don't mind.
Will not be possible from my side.
15
Because I have to bring all the contradiction on record. There are contradiction galleries
conviction under
under 145.
what is the sentence?
Life. And very unfortunately, my lord, 4 persons were convicted. They were facing the trial under 30234, but they were convicted only under 302 simplicity. Whether that legal question which whether a person can be 4 person making a joint crime method can be convicted only under section 300 simplicity. And prior to that, your lordship public.
How many of you are there? One. One
I'm
appellant.
for one because others I don't know, my lord.
No, is there how many appeals are
There are 4.
4 appeals.
No, there are 4 accused appellants, my lord. But I am representing one, my lord, because I am holding the
I
brief
think
of.
only one appeal is there, one appellant.
Yes, but that's true, my lord. But that's why I wanted to point it out first, my lord. Actually, the others, my lord, I don't know. I am not representing them, so I don't know what
No,
is the
obviously
thing.
there would be no other appeal. By this time, the registry would have been aware
No.
if
Appeal, I'm not saying there are 4, my lord. The thing is that they were brothers. There are some dispute, this and that, my lord. So right now, I am holding the brief only on behalf of people. Dave.
no, that is
A1.
what he is the lone appellant,
Yes,
isn't it?
Yes.
Or lone appellant who had preferred the appeal. Only people day.
people Dave, my lord.
So the others have now come up in appeal.
No, they have come up, my lord, by filing a joint appeal, of course. But
Okay.
something after filing has happened, probably, my lord. So I don't know whether.
There is only one appeal, criminal
Yeah.
appeal 391 by 2019,
Yes,
and
but
these-
preferred by whom?
by 4 of them.
4 of them.
Yes.
Oh.
And subsequently, it's been maybe their defense, like
Oh, no,
doing a
yeah.
counsel, and there is dispute between them only.
My lord, we'll see the.
And appeal is clear to
Just
get
your
it.
lordship will see the cause list, my
My
lord.
lord,
You are for the
I am
informant.
for the informant, the victim.
Okay.
Well, if your lordship will see the cause list, there are many a name, my. Starting with who's representing who, my.
No, if there is one appeal, if there are even multiple counsel, we will hear only one counsel.
That's
Yeah.
If there are separate appeals, no problem in hearing. Then also we review
definitely
the.
joint.
No, we'll treat to be the appellant, appeal of all the 4.
Yes,
Somebody is entitled, why not?
Absolutely correct. Because
But
If something,
law points come, that's a
Yeah.
different.
that will be possible. I think we'll try on 3 days later. I at least do not have any problem in hearing.
No,
My
I-
mother will not be there. That will be a change. Okay, we'll try when Thursday.
oh,
We'll try
Yeah.
for Thursday. Thursday?
I'll just take it, my lord.
24 of the
Then forget it next week.
25.
The next week.
28.
28, my lord. 28 or
Out of-
29.
Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday. Would be
Okay, no
38,
problem.
38, that's
30 point.
Take it on
28 or
some,
29.
30.
No, it's got Monday,
It's
Tuesday.
January.
Then let's come on first. First of August. Okay.
Yeah. First of all,
Okay, on a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties.
Well,
Please.
before rising, I have one more point to point out
First of
here,
August.
my lord,
Yes.
that I'm on interim bail in a 389 petition, my lord. And 2 days, because why interim bail was granted? Because my daughter is a cancer patient, is got the
No,
diagnosis.
you are still on bail.
Bail, my.
Then
So as of now, it may kindly be extended and the
now, is it
affidavit I have.
limited by time?
By-
Interim bail, is it limited by time?
Yes, that is true, my lord. The honorable.
No, is it limited by time?
No, no, no.
Then
Because Honorable Supreme Court has passed, my lord, that order, if your lordship will can have a look in the main IA. On the basis of the Supreme Court order, my lord,
yes.
my bail was extended from there. In the main IA, Annexure 1, page 8, my lord. IA 565, my.
In the IA, you're right.
Yeah, that
The interim bail.
may I
granted to
submit,
the-
my lord? May I point out?
Yes.
The last order, my lord, 12/6/2025.
Hmm.
Now, on that day, we did not oppose to this. And from the date of convictions, my lord, till now, he is on this, extending one after another
Yes.
for a period more, it's 470 days. And my lord will kindly say, I understand that
No, we
he-
never fixed it. Don't worry.
on first, on a fixed date, he has to surrender, my.
No, next date we'll hear the matter.
here to matter this.
Hear the matter.
And
We can pray for an early date also. We don't mind. Thursday also it's possible. Today, tomorrow and day after we are slightly
Yes, but similarly,
Let it be on
one.
till the next date, my lord.
till the next day.
Till
okay?
the next
Ah.
day.
Absolutely.
India, you right? Yeah. Heard so and senior counsel so also heard negative.
Both the petition will be heard. Till then, it may be.
Yes, and we have for the informant para. After hearing, the interim bail granted to the applicant. This was by the applicant number 1 or what?
Yes, my applicant.
Only one.
By the
April date,
applicant.
only one.
Stands extended till the next date fixed,
Till the,
which is so and so.
yes.
Yes. Much obliged.
Bench full or
Bench full nahi. Okay, motion is
obliged lordship. The consent of the other side. For
5 years.
Elected council, the HMI is out of state. And it's taken up.
Inform the other side.
My lord, I am appearing for the private estimate. I have filed
IA,
for
you are the applicant in the IA.
Yes.
When do you want?
on Wednesday,
Okay, Wednesday. Okay,
Next week,
day after.
can it be oral?
tomorrow. Tomorrow we can have, or we can have it on Friday, whenever. Wednesday you have some difficulty. Tell us a date of your consensus. We'll have it on Friday. Friday is he around?
Okay.
On a prayer made on behalf of the opposite party, writ petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on Friday.
I'll-
Para interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
May I beg to mention the PPT along with IA for the 25th July,
25th,
July.
IA for what?
IA for Amba Banya Private.
No, IA for what purpose?
We
Hmm? You have filed the IA for what purpose? IA for stay vacating, IA for implement, IA for modification, IA for correction, what, IA for what? You should know the purpose of filing the IA. You make a mention tomorrow, we'll consider. Yes, next. Mr. Sheikh,
My lord,
what is this?
it was for instruction, my lord, from the other side. My lord, it would say something.
Instructions, madam? Have you got the instructions? You have received the instructions. You find the affidavit will examine this matter, will issue notice at this stage. At the motions, the admission stage, we can dispose of.
Right.
You have cited two reasons. Whether these reasons are sustainable in law will heard 3 MA6 Learned Counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by the rejection of their application to run a private cattle market.
Yes. On private land.
The rejection has been done vide an order dated 8/4/2025, whereby certain reasons have been cited, and it is the case of the petitioners that such reasons are irrelevant and not sustainable in law. Para? Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Animal husbandry, you are appearing on our behalf. Where is she? Is she there in the court or not? Name not reflected. Can you please serve copy upon her, okay? Well, Ms. Das for whom? Who is 6? SDPO. Then plain tribes not served. Hard.
In animal husbandry and veterinary department,
Plain tribes,
welfare plain tribe. And backward community.
Ms.
backward-
M. Potoki, Learned Standing Council, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary for 1. Ardhor, Standing Council, Welfare of Plain Tribes 2. Your name? S. Boro, Learned Council, appearing on instruction of Miss R.B. Boro, Standing Council BTC for 3, 4, and 5, and 6. UDAS, Learned State Council. Extra copies be served by tomorrow.
Day
You come
after
up with an affidavit. We'll try to, these matters need to be disposed
Day
of.
after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
Steps within 2 working days.
Right.
Yes. The names of SC, Animal Husbandry, as well as Tribal Welfare Department be reflected in the cause list.
Obliged.
Names of. Yes, Mr. Kayum.
instruction.
Yes, dry fish storage. Where are you storing? Huh?
Here's a house, big house.
Where? Which place?
Gologons mill.
Gologons.
Gologons town.
It's a residential area.
No, my lord, because earlier it was, my lord, no objection was issued, my lord, by the local people. My lord, then, my lord, it was, my lord, trade license was issued by the, my lord, Gologons Municipality Board. It was,
What is your instruction? Any instruction?
Instruction is awaited.
Will issue notice.
Otherwise, order was passed on the basis of some report of the
Report of the
Asian Commissioner, page 39.
on
Okay.
public complaint.
Some complaint was there. According to
Heard 3 DA Kayum Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order dated 5/4/2025 issued by the Court District Commissioner.
Yes, Lord.
Golagganj, whereby the petitioner has been directed to shift his dry fish storage to another location. Full stop. It is amongst other grounds, the petitioner has cited the ground of gross violation, ground of violation of the principles of natural justice, as no opportunity was granted to him before passing of the impugned order. Tara? Resource London State Council has, however, submitted that the order appears to be passed in the public interest, as there was complaints from the public of the locality, which is a residential area, correct?
But
Subara?
that residential word is not reflected in the order, Lord, sir. Page 39.
39.
39.
Is the impugned order.
Yes, yes, Lord. But the last line is there from residential.
Residential is
Yes, last line.
there. Residential. Area, para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Order for whom?
And for estimate number 1, 3,
State
4,
Council. 1,
5, 6.
1, 3,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6. What about 2?
2 and 7 municipal court. Notice that.
2 you cannot. You
No,
executive
no.
officer you can.
No, Lord, because other there, the office of the municipal court, although he is a common servant, but that has to be presented by the
No, so far as 7 is concerned, 7 can go by registered post with ED by the chairperson. You are the executive officer. 2 also. 2 extra copies by 2 days. 7 registered.
I have already given. Extra
Huh?
copies have been already
Seven,
given.
okay. 7, have you taken steps? No.
No,
7 registered.
seven also taken issue.
When? Notice was not issued. How did you take
that's the
steps?
notice.
No, but the notice was
No, order was there to supply that extra copies in the last order.
No,
Right.
what about 7?
7, they has to take.
My
the
lord,
notice.
my clerk has already taken steps, my lord.
Without notice.
He has taken.
How will it go without there being a notice
Yes,
of
my lord, I will take it.
take steps? For service of notice of response was 7 by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days. Okay.
No, I need.
Earlier interim order.
What is the
Lordship,
interim
I
order?
can take
Yes.
46.
What kind of interim order?
There is an interim order. Not to strip mill shall not be given effect to that is the order dated 10.
Order dated 10/7.
Well.
Where is it?
Last
Last
paragraph.
paragraph.
Why don't you get instructions? There's an interim order. It appears to have been passed in public service, public interest. Public interest will definitely have an overriding effect on private interest.
Before that, last week I need to page 29.
Returnable on
Too big.
returnable on 4th of 6th of August.
Got
Okay, 6th of August. Interim order last night. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Problem.
Yes, sir, Guru.
May it please the court. My lord, in this matter, there has been a penal damage charges imposed by the railway authorities. And my lord, there is a circular passed by the railway board which is stating that before imposing any kind of a penal damage charge, the mandatory prerequisite is to issue a 48-hour prior notice and to conduct a wide publicity, my lord. And my lord, in this matter,
Yes,
there-
what do you say, Mr. Singh? You are for railways.
That's point number 4, food corporation of.
Who is for the railways? Madam will be appearing for the railways. What do you have to say?
my lord, the claim pertains to NF Railway. NF Railway falling within the territorial jurisdiction of the court.
Processing is done where? By the NF Railway.
Well,
If there's a part of cause of action, then we'll not be very strict with this territorial thing. But if it is wholly out of the jurisdiction of this court, then probably yes.
That you will take
Yes, my
Friday.
lord.
Have it on Friday, okay?
lordship may issue notice that
No, well, Friday we'll have for motion. Or,
Ma-
or Thursday also we can have 2 days.
Take it.
Oh, okay.
my lord.
Your D. Rathi,
Yes, sir.
Heard Sri D. Rathi, learned counsel for the petition. Para. Sri A. Gaon, learned CGC,
Lord.
appearing for the railways.
Yes. And-
Has however prayed for some time to enable her to obtain instructions on the aspect of territorial jurisdiction. Para. List. Sri B.K. Singh, learned counsel is present for the FCI. That's one number 2. That's one number 4. FCI name. FCI respond number 4. As on request, list on Thursday
My lord.
Date.
Much obliged.
24, yes.
for motion.
Basically, I agree with the imperial order that you will find page number 27, my lord. What happened here, my lord? Early in 2019, my lord, one land was allotted to the petitioners. Your lord will find page number, the annex 1, page number 14, my lord. The vernacular. By this order, my lord, one plot of land was allotted to the petitioners to establish 2 shop room, my lord. Then, my lord, page number 14, my lord. 14 is the
Your claim has been rejected by the speaking order.
Yes.
We'll
Yes.
examine. We'll examine. Yes, what do you say? Anything to say at this point? Your MA Islam. Third Sri MA Islam learned counsel for the petitioners who are aggrieved by a speaking order dated 13/6/2025, whereby the representation dated 23/2025 for allotment of Bheti has been rejected. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the rejection has been done on irrelevant grounds and the relevant factors have been ignored. Para. Ignored, overlooked. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. Papa, the revenue force. It's S. Datta, learned Puranam. What is the full name? Sri Satyajit Datta. Why have you asked his full name? Have you realized? Sri Satyajit Datta, learned standing counsel, revenue, accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1. Miss Thapa, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Sri Sudipta Datta, standing counsel, PNRD for 2,
5 and
2, 4, 5, and 6. 3 by Miss Udas, learned state counsel. Extra copies, 7 registered post with AD within 2 days.
Hello.
सबका हो गया ना? P Thapa, your P Thapa.
Lord.
P Thapa. On behalf of Sudipta Datta. Pattern number
70.
7.
May please, lord. Lordship, I have challenged the tender process initiated by respondent number 5, 4 and 5, my lord, to settle a market which is standing on my Pata land, my lord. Lordship, may kindly turn to annexure 1, page 12. This is the Jamabandi. Thank you, Lordship.
No, this matter was taken up earlier.
Yes, my lord, on 19th it was listed, my lord. But that day I was out of station, my lord, and it was posted today.
What is this order passed earlier?
My lord, earlier last year there was an writ petition we filed, and it was directed that we market the land of the applicant petitioner.
What is your grievance?
My lord, by this tender process, my lord, my land, my market, which is a private market standing on my personal land, has also been tried to be settled by the panchayat, my lord, which is not
Yes,
permissible.
Mr. Datta.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I thought I may be, you take instruction whether this is the correct or not.
No, you can go ahead with the tender process, but do not incorporate his private land.
Yes, sorry, that can be done.
That was
Without demarcation, that cannot be, we have demarcated. So
that was ultimately the earlier order, my lord. At page 32, it starts at 30, page 30, my lord. Relevant portion will be at 32, para 5. It was directed to demarcate the land prior to settlement.
Which order? 21-6 order?
Yes, my lord.
Or paragraph?
5 at page 32. May I read, my lord?
This order is already there. So how can you pass the same order?
My lord, this was in connection with earlier, last year there was a tender. That was by Anchalik Panchayat, it was done, my lord. But they have not gone ahead with the demarcation. We communicated though.
And
So-
now the present tender process?
Issued by the Gao Panchayat.
Same land.
Same land, my lord. Same land, same market. It is Khalisa Beta daily market and Khalisa Beta weekly market, bi-weekly
Lord
market.
3 T.R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an NIT dated
6/6/2025.
6/6/25 for
Settlement of two markets, Khalisa Beta
for
bi-weekly market.
settlement of two markets. Full stop. The primary ground of challenge is that the NIT that the area of the market incorporates private patta land of the petitioner. The learned counsel has also referred to an order dated 21/6/2024 passed by this court in an earlier petition being WPC 3165 of 2024, in which a similar situation was dealt with by this court, wherein the Anchalik Panchayat had committed the same illegality. Full stop. This court had interfered with such action. Full stop. Para, let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. 3 years Datta, learned standing counsel, PNRD, accept notice on behalf of Sona 1,
1, 3, 4, and 5.
1, 3, 4, and 5. 2 by Udas, Miss Udas, learned state counsel. Para. Sri Sharma, the learned counsel, prays for an interim order. Para.
Well, tender is supposed to be opened on 23rd of July. Witness.
Prays for an interim order. He submits that the tender papers, tenders, bids would be opened on 23rd of July,
Yes.
2025. Para. The order passed by this court in the earlier writ petition instituted by the same petitioner, i.e., that is WPC
3165 of
3165 of 2024 has been perused. Full stop. The only difference is that while the earlier tender process was floated by the Anchalik Panchayat,
Jaleshwar Anchalik Panchayat.
by the Jaleshwar Anchalik Panchayat, the present tender process is floated by the
Khalisa Bita Gao Panchayat.
Khalisha Bitha Gao Panchayat, and the land in question is the same. Para. In view of the above, comma, it is directed that while there would be no restriction on the tender process, comma, the land of the petitioner, the said process, the land of the petitioner should be kept out of purview of the said tender process.
Yes.
my lord, Procedural kindly come to page number 32. In the final order direction was to circle officer, my lord, to give a spot verification.
On the next date, comma, Ms.
That
Das,
can
the
be done.
London State Council shall also produce this, shall also, um, well, no, by the next date, comma, the Ms. Udas shall obtain instructions with regard to the steps taken regarding the demarcation of the land of the petitioner in question,
As per order dated.
as per the earlier order.
That will end the matter.
I'm deeply obliged.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
I'll serve extra copy today.
Yes, yes. Extra copy still there, na? Within 2 days, yes.
Hello.
All you have taken, is there any registered post? No.
Well, they have represented all the persons except maybe on 5 or you will
5 who is 5?
secretary.
Yes,
Okay.
I have already.
Comments already.
Oh, yes, well, then
Maybe after 24,
मैं
necessary party will arise.
मैं बोला तो
सबके-
कौन
yes.
सब क्या सब covered. Yes. Next.
I'm open.
Hello.
Yes, Prasad. IA4.
I have for vacation of the interim order, my lord. Interim order is at page 12, next to one. of
The petitioner is the Union of India.
Union.
Regarding against cat order or what?
No,
Then
my lord, what has happened? I was awarded a contract. I performed, claimed my money. They refused. As an MSME, I approached the local MSME tribunal at Telangana, and they awarded me the amount along with it. Now the Union of India has challenged in the Honorable Court that my petition before the MSME Council was not appropriate, that lacked jurisdiction. But the fact remains that this Honorable Court lacks the territorial jurisdiction to decide an order.
why have you filed here?
My lord, the dispute arose hereon. They had given
They were there kind of all the cause of schedules. I for it the order. They have filed my
You have filed your objection?
I have
Okay,
already
we'll have it on Thursday. Okay. Heard Miss A. Gayan, Learned CGC. Oh, no. Heard Sri B. Prasad, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Writ petition, applicant, opposite party.
respondent.
Applicant, respondent, as well as Miss A. Gayan, Learned Counsel for the opposite party, writ petitioner. A. Gayan, CGC, huh? CGC, Learned CGC, 4G, opposite party, writ petitioner. Para. Ms. Gayan has informed that an objection has been filed today, which however has not been tagged with the records. Para. In the interest of justice, let the objection be tagged with the records and the matter be listed for consideration. Interim order passed early to continue to the next date of listing.
Really? Oh.